Sir, the present bill before us is a very simple one. Its object is to extend the period from 5 years for the operation of the amendments that were introduced in 1981, that is, 25 years after we have implemented this act. Parliament has found it necessary to introduce certain amendments for a temporary period of 5 years. Now the amendments seeks to extend that period of 10 years. The amendments that were introduced in 1981, apart from other amendments, I will refer to only three amendments. One is the offence under the Essential Commodities Act is made non-bailable for the first time in the year 1981. Number two, special courts were constituted to go into these offences, excluding the jurisdiction of other courts. Even for granting bail, they must go only to special courts to be constituted to go into these offences, excluding the jurisdiction of other courts. Even for granting bail, they must go only to special courts to be constituted. The third one is that originally the Act provided a wholesome measure, though at one stage action is taken to confiscate the goods administratively. Then at next stage, at least an appeal was provided to the ordinary courts of the land, but these amendments sought to take away the right of appeal at least to the civil courts at one stage and invest that power in the state government. That is something like converting our law department as administrators of justice. That is the third aspect. Para. Now, sir, first I want to clear one misconception that is prevalent in everybody's mind when he is talking about Essential Commodities Act. They think of only food grains, sugar, edible oil like these, but this Essential Commodities Act defines essential commodities in a very wide manner. For example, coal in all form is essential commodity, paper, paperboard are essential commodities, iron and steel including manufactured item are essential commodities. We talk of essential commodities in terms of wheat and rice and sugar, etc. Now cement is also an essential commodities. Now to make such things available at a fair price shop is one of the object of the act. Is the government behaving properly in respect of things on which they have got complete control? Cement price at the time this act came into force was rupees 6 a bag. Now it is rupees 70. Is it maintaining the price? Is it making it available at a fair price? Para, you are trying to increase punishment for violation after 25 years. Alright, do it. But merely tightening the law is not going to improve matters. Recently, we passed a bill increasing punishment for talking dowry. It is an offense, but how much of it has been enforced all these years? Stop.